Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. Just don't forget, if this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you'll see guys, the return of the BMW X5 that we had in a couple of months ago. Now this is not a product review as like I normally do, this is just a wash video using a few products that I just grabbed off the shelf, and I thought, well, let's just throw them together, and I may as well filmed it for you guys. So as always, we always start off with the arches, tyres and alloys, because they are normally the dirtiest part of the car. But it's hard to tell with this one because the whole thing is absolutely bogging. So for the arches, tyres, we're using good old Autobrite's Citrus Pre-Wash. For the wheels, we're going to use Autobrite's Very Cherry applied with the IK foamer, a few easy brushes, and a Viking soft bristle brush, my go-to wheel cleaning equipment. So this is something I haven't used in a while. This is idetail Pro Nano Shield. I'm just applying a few spritz to the wheels, then rinsing off, just to give them a little bit of protection. And it is literally just as easy as that, guys. Now we're going to do the all-important pre-wash. We still got the autobrite Citrus Pre-Wash in the IK sprayer. The IK sprayer, guys, really does make light work of applying any sort of citrus to a car. There's no more trigger sprays where your fingers start going dead. It's just a few pumps and you go around the car quite easy. As I said in the beginning of the video, guys, this was just me going to the shed, grabbing a few bits and pieces, bringing them all out and using them. And here we have idetail Pro's Snow Foam Syrup. Now as you'll see, conditions was nice. I left it dwell for 10 minutes. But it's not the thickest. I dialed it right back. As you'll see from the next little clip, it does produce some really thick foam, this stuff. So as always, while the snow foam is doing its thing, dwelling, now's the time to get your brushwork all sorted out. Get in the doors, get in the rear lights, any badges, anything that you will struggle getting in with a wash mitt. So guys, I do plan on doing a few of these sort of videos a month, where I just go in the shed, pick a few random products, and we'll just run out and we'll get a car washed. Let me know what sort of products you would like to see or review. Just drop it down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to cater for all your detailing needs, guys. So now we're on to the shampoo stage, and you'll notice that I'm applying my shampoo via snow foam lance. As you will see in many of my videos, I think it's the way to go. For the shampoo, I used Autobrite Direct's Decon shampoo. Now if you haven't used this stuff, the smell of the paint drops is superb. It is super slick, and it really is a pleasure to use. So now that we're rinsing off, we're getting ready to apply a little bit of protection to this car. Now the spray-on sealants via snow foam are very popular at the minute, and my go-to spray-on sealant is this one by Mile Deep. It's called Shield. Now if you haven't tried this stuff, I suggest you get on their website and order some immediately, because this stuff is absolutely fantastic. I have a few shots of the water behavior coming up, and you will see it is very impressive for a spray-on rinse off. And also, if you would like to know a little bit more about this product, I have done a video. Go back, check it out, give it a watch. Just check this water behavior out, guys. Now, whoever told you you couldn't dry a car using water, check this out. Totally dry. This is how good this Mile Deep Shield is. As you probably already know from previous videos, this is my Korean drying towel that I had from Because Race Car. It is getting a little bit old now, so drop it down in the comments below what drying towel I should get next. You gotta admit, guys, this old girl did come up very well, and the owner was very pleased. So guys, if you like this sort of style video where I just grab a few things and we wash a car, let me know in the comments down below. So guys, a big massive thanks for watching, subscribing and liking. It really does mean a lot. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.